Okay, a couple of things about Amazon and trading on Amazon. G'day, it's Dave here, and I'm with Desiree.
Desley.
Desley.
Yes.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
And we're just at the WordPress meetup, and I did a little bit of a segment there, which was quite funny, wasn't it? Was it
Yes.
very good?
Yeah, we're not.
Anyway,
Yes.
Desiree has a product.
Desley.
D has a product.
Yes, good.
Has a product, and she sells it on Amazon. And as most of you probably know, you can either sell your own stuff on Amazon or sell someone else's stuff on Amazon. Anyway, Dee sells her product on Amazon, so she has it made, branded, shipped, trademarked, and all that, and then she has it shipped to Amazon so they can sell it.
Yes.
And you do that on a and you have it listed on your website so people can buy it and it gets shipped direct from Amazon to them.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so there's a lot better GP, a lot better gross profit to do it that way. Mm-hmm. But you just tell us a little bit about Amazon and about your experience, and you better give your product a plug.
Oh, I'm selling this particular product. I'm selling it in the US at the moment. I researched the formula, developed the formula, had it made under private label through a manufacturer in America. The reason for that is Americans only buy American-made supplements, right? I've had a bit of a potted history with actually selling on Amazon because there's so many pitfalls to it, but I'm getting to the point where we've got most of the problems worked out. I'm getting fantastic results from this product. It's in the anti-aging market, and it's just astounding the results that I'm getting from this product. But having said that...
But you'd have to monetize it a little bit better yet.
Yes.
Because you've had a few little hiccups, haven't you?
Oh, yes. About 3 months of, you could almost say sheer hell. But I've gotten to the point now that I just accept that every day there's most likely going to be a challenge and a problem. And if it's hard for you to get through, and you've got some skills to get you going to the point where you are, think about all the other people who need to develop those skills and are never going to develop those skills. So you're sort of building like a big wall behind you as to whether new people can come into the market and take on your product.
And so one of the keys would be to have a good mentor or support group or something like that.
Absolutely, and I've had quite a few mentors.
Because that can save you a lot of headaches from learning from theirs.
Absolutely.
Okay, and so that's and so the name of the product is
Restore Radiance, and I am working on a distribution channel into Australia.
Right.
But that's not available just yet.
Oh, this is soon. International anyway.
Okay, this is international.
So guys, it's Dave here from Easy Online Biz Solutions, and there are harder and really hard ways of making money online, and there's easy and really easy ways as well. Anyway, just reach out to us if you need some coaching or mentoring or a little bit of guidance on what works best, what products to sell, the way to market them, and how to define a marketing strategy. Keep it nice and easy. Anyway, just reach out to us at easyonlinebizsolutions.com. Cheers, guys. Thanks for that, and thanks, Des.
Bye.